My name is Ruben Sali, one of the sweet potato breeders with the International Potato Center. I'm going to be sharing with you the main highlights and project findings on fried sweet potato product. And on behalf of the product champion, Dr. John Lowe, I'd like to start by thanking the team from Ghana, Nigeria, and Côte d'Ivoire that has contributed to this work. This is the first time that a local practice of sweet potato frying has been described and characterized. The presentation covers the trade preferences for processors and consumers from the value chain mapping that was conducted in selected sites in Ghana and Nigeria, how these traits were translated into a lexicon for sensory analysis, and how breeding programs in Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire are integrating the evaluation for suitability for frying in the ongoing on-farm evaluation. And finally, we shall look at perspectives on how we're going to proceed with this work in period 4. The desirable characteristic for fried sweet potato was synthesized from the literature review, gendered food mapping survey, participatory processing diagnosis, and consumer testing that were conducted sequentially in the Upper East region of Ghana and Kano and Kwara states in Nigeria in period 2. The raw roots for frying should be firm, with a smooth skin, a regular shape, without holes, and of odor that are usually due to weevil damage. The roots should be able to store well and mature early to ensure all year-round root supply. During processing, the roots should be hard to slice, not sticking to the hand or slippery. The chunks should have a uniform color with little or no surface moisture and no off odors. The final product should be dry, filling, and satisfying, hard or strong on the first bite, crispy, not oily or soggy. Some consumers like the chunk fries moderately sugary, while others like them with a slight amount of sugar. The final chunk fries should have a uniform color, like light brown for white-fleshed varieties, yellow with a brown tint for yellow-fleshed varieties, or orange with a brown tint for orange-fleshed varieties. These findings have been published in the 2 journal articles of the special issue of the International Journal of Food Science and Technology. The gendered food mapping also revealed that the selected sites had a different set of varieties. Both men and women across all sites want varieties that are high yielding, early maturing, store well, and are highly demanded by the market. However, women exclusively preferred varieties with long vines for feeding animals, short cooking time, and better market prices, while men exclusively wanted varieties that are adapted to all soil types, are drought tolerant, and require lower fertilizer application rates. The most suitable variety for frying identified during the participatory diagnosis in the Upper East region of Ghana was Obari, while in Kano State in Nigeria was Dan Izala, and in Kwara State in Nigeria was Alauza. These can be used as check clones to benchmark traits for suitability for frying by breeding programs. The varieties for frying must also be good for boiling, since most of the farmers who grow the bulk of the crop do not fry at home, but also want to sell their roots to the fryers who take up to 70% of the roots. The desirable traits for the final fried product, such as crispiness, mealiness, and frying time, are likely to be functions of starch properties, and we need to understand how these vary across varieties. The fried sweet potato quality traits for the final fried product was used to guide the description of 17 lexicon covering the appearance, the texture, and the flavor of the final product. An 8-member sensory panel was trained and used to evaluate 5 varieties. The same varieties were then assessed by a community in Ghana by 332 consumers, and the sensory mapping using the 2 datasets revealed 3 consumer segments. The first segment can be described as one that desires crispy, crunchy, mealy, and sweet fried sweet potato, and it constitutes 37%. The second segment can be described as one that desires yam flavor and dry texture and constitutes 24%, while the third segment can be described as one that desires the uniform orange color, the right plantain flavor, and the palm native flavor, and it constitutes 39%. This work has been published in the special issue of the International Journal for Food Science and Technology and can be used to guide breeders, producers, and fryers in targeting the markets. The sweet potato breeding programs in Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire are now evaluating advanced clones for acceptability as both a boiled product and a fried product. For instance, 1 out of the 4 released varieties in Ghana in 2020, SARI-Tiemeh, was described to be suitable for both frying and boiling. It was ranked number 1 as a boiled sweet potato, beating the local check in tests in all sites, while it was ranked 2nd or 3rd in the fried panel assessment, especially being appreciated for its yam-like flavor. Similarly, Côte d'Ivoire evaluated 11 clones with farmers in the north, where sweet potato is widely grown, and in the center, where sweet potato is less known, for both fried and boiled products. In the north, 3 orange flesh sweet potato varieties were ranked top for both frying and boiling, while in the center, the 2 yellow-fleshed varieties, Fantoni 2 and Aleda Manda, were ranked highly for both boiling and frying. Moving forward, we would like to improve our understanding of how starch properties influence fried sweet potato quality traits, and we will be working with CRI and JHI to evaluate a selected set of varieties for pasting properties and cell wall analysis. We will be comparing chunk fries, the popular street fried product in West Africa, with French fries using our sensory panel. We will also use the Tricot multi-location sensory survey to select varieties that are suitable for frying, and we will expand the testing of promising varieties in Côte d'Ivoire. We are grateful to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for supporting this work through the SASHA project led by SIP and the RTBfoods project led by SARI-Tiemeh. Also, the cooperation of consumers, farmers, and processors that were involved in the study is highly appreciated. Thank you.